Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeff. It's DIomgY. It's been a minute, but look at this. I'm back in the bus, and I actually did stuff tonight. Check it out. 3 sheets down, 3 sheets to go. I got 2 of the trickier ones done, 2 of the trickier cuts where you got to cut around something, the gas filler and the fuel tank access port. So it's I got wheel wells to go around still, as well as a few other things, but. You may have noticed that it's been a bit since I touched this, and the race car has been taking my attention. That was a 3+ year project, so I had to keep the wife happy and get that one done-ish. So anyway, it looks like we're going to be making a lot more progress here in the coming weeks and months, so keep an eye on this channel. With any luck, this was a couple hours worth of work to get this started. If I get the rest of the insulation cut, then I can just squish it down, put some adhesive down, and then get to the subfloor. And I can actually walk around in here again, so I'm not worried about smashing said insulation. But if you're curious, all of that back there, that is 1/2-inch polyiso. There's about as many opinions as there are builders out there. So if you are looking at doing this, my advice is do your research and then do what you feel. Mine's what some people would say is a little small. It's only about an R3 for this particular one. Whoa, that's a giant B. But it's mostly to preserve headroom. I'm a tall guy, I'm 6'2". With this down, I think it's gonna be tight. This plus another 3/4 of subfloor plus a little bit of flooring, and I think I'm gonna be bumping my head more than I care to. So I didn't wanna risk that and make it worse. Some people put like 3 inches on the floor, which makes for a really cool or warm bus depending on the season, but just not quite what we need and not quite what I wanted to do. I don't want to do a roof raise. That's a lot of work I'm not ready for. Other notes in this stream of consciousness, I bought solar and I bought a generator. I got 400 watts of solar that'll be here on Wednesday, and I got a 3,800 watt generator. Need to find a place for. Get out of here, booger. I'm finishing the video. And yeah, that was under budget, which I'm really happy about, and the generator can run on propane too, which is keeping us to 2 fuels. I knew I was gonna have to have propane. If I can run the generator on propane and not also have to have gasoline, happy guy. And propane runs cleaner, a little less wattage out of the generator, but it doesn't gum up the carb, so that should be a nice little plus. What else have I been working on? Those are the big ones. I got a lot of parts that are starting to accumulate. I got an inverter charger. So really the last part of the power setup is gonna be probably some sort of a box to put some breakers in, and then batteries. I got a box that I built, or that I got from work, that I'm gonna build into a battery holder for underneath, and then I guess finding room for all of it. But stay tuned, those are coming. It's gonna be a good summer. So we'll talk to you guys soon.